Hi everyone, this is Denise and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna share with you another good thing, another reason why you should join us in Acadium. So here's the story. It's really quick. This is just a short video. So by the way, I'm just to let you know that I'm taking this video while I park in an empty parking space, so you know that I don't take video, I don't use my cell phone while driving. So here's the story. I was actually more than halfway on my way to the supermarket, and there's no need for me to go back because I just need to get that thing urgently, and also because you know, I don't want to waste my time. I have other things to do, but I needed to update my mentor because yesterday he sent me the material and I have to finish my task. But unfortunately, already this morning I'm really struggling with my internet connection. I've been struggling with the internet connection for already like almost a week, really. And as a matter of fact, yesterday we had a video call and it cut off a couple of times. So but that's the thing here. I have to update him and to let him know that hey, hey mentor, I won't be able to post this content. That's because I have a very poor internet connection. My internet connection, I use disc, so, and because I live atop the hill, so whenever the weather is really bad, like cloudy and it's, you know, windy, or like it's really raining, it's just not working really like the way it should work. So my internet is crawling, you know. I think that's the perfect description. But so that's it. But the beauty with Acadium is that they have a mobile app, so it is easy to communicate with our mentors. I find it so easy, handy dandy to communicate with my mentors. I have two mentors. The other one is from the States and the other one is from the United Kingdom. So obviously we have the one in the States, we have a really big time zone difference. In the UK, just 1 hour. But the nicest thing with the app, the Acadium mobile app, is because you can chat with them, your mentor there, send them a message and let them know or give them update. Okay, another beautiful thing with the mobile app, Acadium mobile app, is because you also get a notification from Acadium saying, let's say for example, hey, it's time for you to rate your mentor's weekly guidance, or they also let you know that it's time for you to work, you know, because it depends on, you know, the days and the schedule, how you set your work schedule. So as you can see, okay, there you go. But I am going to walk you through the app. So as you can see, I am now in my Acadium mobile app. This is my account. Obviously that's my face there. And then I'm scrolling down there. You can see your profile, your bio, about you, and stuff like that, so on and so forth. The same thing that you can see when you open the your account on your computer. And you can also, you know, look for mentors, you know, here, other opportunities. You can send a message, you request interviews, same thing. You can send private messages to your mentor here. You can also, you know, take courses or study lessons here. This is it. That's it. About SEO, social media, depends on what you're interested about, and podcast management. Then this is the thing here. You get notifications from Acadium, and then here, as you can see, I have my two mentors. I can send message to my mentor in the States saying, hey, I'm sorry, I won't be able to submit, or 1 second, maybe not submit, able to post the content today because I have a really bad internet, or poor, not bad, poor internet connection. Okay, so that's it, and then send that message. Okay, and the other mentor, you can also send another message here, same thing. You can send your attachment, whatever, you know, stuff that you would like to share with your mentor. So basically that's it, guys. And here you can invite friends, you can go to the Acadium Plus, you can check the support, the setting. Okay, there, that's the setting, and that's it. So basically that's it. So why I'm always recommending Acadium, because Acadium is, for me, a handy dandy platform. No, seriously, because it's so good. I mean, you can communicate with your mentors wherever you are in this world, for as long as you have your mobile device and internet connection, then you're ready to go anywhere. Like you, maybe if you're somewhere, probably at the restaurant, and you want to communicate with your mentor, or you're on a holiday. I don't know if that's possible now in this COVID period, but once the lockdown is going to lift, then you will be somewhere else. Then you can communicate with your mentor with the platform. Although Acadium gives you the permission to use other platforms such as, you know, Skype, or you can send messages with your, or emails with your, you know, with your mentors in another platform. But it's up to you. But this is why I'm just telling you how beautiful Acadium is, because they have their own mobile app that it's easy to use. You can directly send a message to your mentor there. You can also set a schedule when to have a video call with them. Okay, share materials there. You saw that you can attach materials there, files. So that's it. And you can look for other mentors to collaborate with. So that's beautiful. And you can also update your profile there using the mobile app. So that's it, guys. Basically, that's this video is all about. Thank you so much for your time. I'm not gonna take so much of your time now. I'm going to do some grocery shopping. That's very important because my baby is waiting for me. She's actually here with me. Very, very quiet, very brava, if they call it in Italian. So that's it, guys. I'll talk to you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to join us in Acadium, join us in Acadium. Use that share link below in the description box, and share with me, share with us your experience in Acadium. And I recommend you that share with us your experience in Acadium, and you will never regret that you are part of the Acadium, because in Acadium you will learn more in the digital marketing field, and you get to meet new people, other people, and you know, you get to learn many things. So basically that's it, guys. That's this video is all about. Now I'm heading to the supermarket because my baby is here waiting, and she's actually quiet, which is really good. In Italian they call it tranquilla, so which is really nice. So that's it. This video is all about, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for your time. And if you want to join us in Acadium, there is a share link in the description box below. So if this video helps you, please support this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. So I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, take care. Ciao, ciao.